As the time old saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. Through this project, we intend to resolve a crisis in Chalakudi Taluk that is standing in the way of its development. Chalakudi is a municipal town situated on the banks of Chalakudi River in Thrissur district of Kerala state in India, and Kadugutti Panchayat is its neighboring village. At present, they are separated by Arangali River that flows through Thrissur district. Here, we propose the design of a bridge over Arangali River connecting both these places. The model is a concrete T-beam bridge with a span of 20 meters center to center distance with 6 deck sections having a total width of 10.5 meter loaded with 2 traffic lanes. The wheel load that is appropriate for the proposed site was IRC Class A loading, which may comprise of heavy-duty trucks with 2 trails and transmit load from 8 axles varying from a minimum of 27 kN to a maximum of 114 kN. All the design calculations were done based on working stress method. Distribution of loads between longitudinals is done by Kuban's method as per IRC 21 roads and bridges. The proposed bridge structure was modeled and analyzed as a concrete girder bridge using the software SAP 2000. Linear static analysis using SAP 2000 was conducted to investigate the structural response of concrete girder bridge subjected to moving vehicle. By the introduction of a bridge at Arangali, the traffic congestion in Chalakudi town will be reduced to a great extent. It will also help the residents of Kadugutti Panchayat to have better access to facilities and an improved lifestyle.